Yo, what's up, guys? I'm at the mall. I'm at the food court, actually. I don't know if you guys can hear me clearly or not, but it's pretty loud in here. So I'm gonna break this Target box here. This is a Target with a 20% off. It's like $40. There are 5 packs. There's the odds. Guaranteed 2 hits, I believe. 1 pink autograph and 1 pink jersey relic. Of course, everybody's looking for this guy right here. Open up. I hope I don't get points, you know. Like 5 packs here. This is a jersey. Let's see what we got. Very nice rookie on the back. It's a Lamar Jackson. I would take that. Actually, Sean Jackson. Adam and Terry. My auto is Rashad Penny. Not bad. I would take it. Right off the bat, we hit an auto. A Rashad Penny. I got my penny sleeve ready. So not too bad. My first hit. So that means I don't get points then, huh? Dalvin Cook. Pierre Garçon pink. Juju. Try to get a focus here. Loud. Andrew Luck pink. Not bad. Harold Landry rookie. My pink, last pink is Ronnie Harrison. There's the back. There's the front. Hype of Drew Brees. Last pack, she have hit a relic. Chancellor. Hopkins. Nice. Josh Rosen. So not too bad. And Mike White. So my 2 hits, Josh Rosen and Rashad Penny. That's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good one.